Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a program from arithmetic progressions of 10th class. The question is, find the sum of last 10 terms of an AP is 8, comma 10, comma 12, 14, and so on 126. Okay, we have to find the last 10 terms. Means from 126 to the 50th term, 51st term. Okay, so here first from the question what is given, let us write that. Given AP 8, comma 10, comma 12, 14, and so on 126. Here what we know, first term we know, and the common difference we know, and the last term L is given, right? So first we have to find the number of term. This is which number term we have to find. So an equals to, what is the formula to find the nth term, n value? An equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here substitute these values. This is not even an. So 126 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 126 equals to 8 plus 2n minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6. So 6 plus 2n. 2n equals to 126 minus 6 equals to 120. Therefore, n equals to 120 by 2, which is equals to 60. Therefore, n equals to 60. Okay. So 60th term is 126. Now what we have to find? Given what asked, last 10 terms of AP. Therefore, here last 10 terms means what we will get n value? N is equals to 51. Right? First we have to find the 51st term in this progression, right? So that we can take that as the A value. Understood? So let us find that. After finding, you can understand why we did this. N51, no? A51 equals to A is 8 plus n minus 1. N is a 51 minus 1 into D is 2. So A51 equals to 8 plus 50 into 2, which is equals to 8 plus 100, which is equals to 108, which is A51. 51st term. Okay, this will be the A. Now what we have to find? Sum. Sum of last 10 terms. Sum of last 10 terms. How to find? Sn equals to n by 2 into A plus L. Here L is the last term. Right? Last term. If it is given last term and we know the first term and the number of terms, we can find the sum if it is given last term. Okay, so here what here we have to write, here A is 108 we have to take, and n equals to total 10 terms we have to find. Next, L is equals to what? 126, and n is equals to 10. Okay, already we wrote, no? Therefore Sn is equals to n is 10 by 2 into A is 108 plus L is 126. 2 in 10 5 times, which is equals to 5 into this, what you will get? 8 6 14 3 2 34, which is equals to 5 4 20 0 2 5 3 15 to 17 1 5 2 10 plus 1 11. So therefore Sn equals to 1170. This is the last 10 terms sum of this particular arithmetic progression. When it is given the last term of the arithmetic progression and we know the n value, A value, we can find the sum like this. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.